Amazon FBA can reject your entire shipment off of one tiny mistake. If you don't follow the rules perfectly, your products could get lost, delayed, or they can send them all back to you at your expense. The FBA packaging requirements. These are your standard packaging rules that apply to all products. You have to use high quality, rigid boxes. All the products must be individually wrapped or sealed. Use polybags, shrink wrap, or sealed boxes to prevent damage. If items can spill or leak, they need to be double sealed, and you can't have any loose items. Every unit needs to be in a secure single package. For example, if you have 3 candles, they need to be in one sealed box or shrink wrapped together. Some specific product prep for fragile items, use bubble wrap or foam inserts. For liquids, use double sealed caps plus leak-proof packaging. For sharp objects, they must be covered in shrink wrap for safety. For clothing and fabric, use clear polybags with suffocation and warning labels. That is a requirement. Every item either needs a scannable UPC, and you've notified FBA that the UPC is the scannable SKU, or you need to put on an Amazon FNSKU. You do have the option when sending your shipment to FBA to choose between them, so just make sure you make the right option and stay consistent when you ship the products. The barcode needs to be scannable. Make sure to test it with your own barcode scanner before shipping it to Amazon, just to make sure they will not have any issues on their end. And then also don't cover your barcodes with tape. That can affect the scannability. Make sure you put all of the proper information in when you're filling it in through the Amazon platform. If you do all of this properly, you should have no issues with your shipments. If you want any more specific Amazon tips or have any specific questions, feel free to leave a comment.